Guys, have you been to Europe before? This is an amazing opportunity. All cost involved is covered by this organization. They are going to apply for certificate of sponsorship, COS, for you free of charge and give it to you for you to apply for your visa. Your visa fee, your flight ticket, accommodation, feeding, everything will be covered for a whole year, even your toiletries, everything, guys. And the fantastic aspect of it is that you don't need to have volunteering experience. Experience is not needed. If this is the first time you are volunteering, you are good to go. And another amazing thing about it is that all nationals from any country you are, you can apply. Application is completely free. You don't need to pay to apply. There's no age limit. If you're already 18 years and above, you can apply. And all you need to do, just get yourself warm clothes, because winter can be cold and there is often a hard frost in the mornings. So please bring warm clothes, such as a good winter clothes and jumper. And also consider a hard glove, socks, and a scarf. Guys, this is an amazing opportunity. You are going to spend 12 months in England. This is too good to be ignored. Even though I usually bring opportunities from Canada, guys, today it's all about Europe. Are you ready to grab these opportunities? Let's get started. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and drop your comments as usual, at least to say thank you for this information. In this video, I'm going to tell you the requirements and everything you need to know to grab this opportunity. The Mount Camp Hill community is a thriving and successful independent specialist residential college founded for and with students who have a range of learning disabilities. So this is more or less like a college where we have a good number of students who are having some kind of learning disabilities. So this college is usually open to volunteers to come in and assist them, help their students and all of that. But on a yearly basis, they usually open up for people to come into England from all over the world. So the application is now opened until around January, or they might close the application as soon as they have enough candidates. So you don't have to wait till January to apply. Volunteering opportunity, especially outside your country, please jump on it, because you never can tell. You're going to meet a lot of people. It's going to open up opportunities for you. You would be able to network with a lot of people. You could even get an employer while on this volunteering assignments, especially if you want to move to Europe in 2025. So guys, this is it, the Mount Camp Hill community. You can see it boldly on their website. Every year the Mount community welcomes a group of living international volunteer co-workers. And can you see, no experience is necessary. All you need is your ability to communicate in English, and you should be a minimum of 18 years old, cannot be less than 18 years old. You can see there is no maximum age limit. So applications for 2025 to 2026 are now opened. So guys, your accommodation, soft furnishings, and food is covered. We also support with basic toiletries. So as a volunteer, your room will have a bed, either a wardrobe or chest of drawers, and all linen, bedding, duvet, and sheets are provided. So you can be rest assured that your accommodation and every other things you need to be comfortable for a whole year will be sorted by them. So applying for your visa, if after the recruitment process we all agree that the Mount is the right place for you, we will confirm our agreement to provide a placement for you, subject to you obtaining your visa. So we start the process in the month of May by applying for a certificate of sponsorship for you. As soon as we have this, we will pass this on to you. It is important that you begin the application process for your visa very soon after you receive this certificate, to ensure that UK VI make a decision in time for you to get here by the desired date. We will send you guidance for your application and other information with your COS. So guys, with your visa application, you can be rest assured that you are covered They are going to apply for certificate of sponsorship for you, and they are going to hand it over to you so that you can use that to process your visa. This is a free opportunity, but you have to pay for your visa application and your IHS, which they are going to refund you. The exact amount you pay, your travel expenses, all your costs incurred, your flight, visa application fee, your health insurance, every payment you make, just make sure you have your proof, your receipt with you. They are going to refund you every payment you make. So you can see it by yourself. There are upfront costs for you to pay for your visa application and for the international health surcharge. The current cost of this in UK currency is €298 for the application fee. That's for your visa application, and €1,035 for IHS. So you may also be required to attend an appointment to provide biometrics and maybe an interview before your visa is approved. So you have to be ready for that. Then you will also need to pay for your travel from home to the mount when you first join us. And when you get there, like I said, they are going to reimburse you. So let's look at that from their website. The mount will refund this cost to you along with the cost of travel to your visa appointments if appropriate. So once you get to London, an arrangement is going to be made to convey you from London to Workhorst, where you're going to volunteer. Once you arrive, you are required to complete a DBS check, and we will provide you with a Soldo card. Your prior traveling expenses and any expenses related to visa acquisition would be paid back to you on this card, divided monthly over the time of your stay. For all expenses you wish to reclaim, it is important to keep receipt or proof of payment. So what are the specific requirements? As some of our students and co-houses are non-verbal, we ask that all candidates have a good level of English. You will be supported to develop your English in day-to-day conversation. Please remember, every day you'll be speaking and hearing English. So your command of the language will improve dramatically within a few months. So how do you apply? So this is what the application form looks like. I would like to apply for a 1-year volunteering post. So if it's co-housing you're choosing, if it's college or either, just select. Let's assume I'm applying for the college. Then you are going to insert your name, your family name, that's your surname, your address, this is all about your address, your country, then your main telephone number so they can contact you. Make sure you don't leave space in between, and your phone number, your email address, your nationality, your sex, and you're going to attach a recent photograph of yourself. Make it look good, and you're going to enter your recent education, the dates you attended those colleges, then your work experience and other skills, talents and experiences you have acquired that can contribute to your volunteering in the Mount Camp Hill. Then they're going to ask about your English proficiency. They do not require you to submit your IELTS. So just indicate if you are good at it, excellent, fluent or fair. So how did you learn about this? So autobiographic information. Here they want you to describe yourself, your family background, and tell them why you would like to become a volunteer at the Mount. So this is more or less like your personal statement. Why do you want to volunteer? Just try as much as possible to make it good enough and highly impressive, because they will be checking these things, and these are the basis, these are the criteria for selection. So, and they would need you to give them 2 references for your application. It could be your teacher, your employer, community leader, church, group leader. So just get 2 references. So you're going to put the name of your referee, his profession, address, telephone number, email. Then the second referee, you're going to put the same information and just sign your declaration here. Put the date, and if you consent for them to use your personal information for the assessment purpose, so just click on yes and you submit your application. That's all about applying for this amazing opportunity, guys. You don't want to sleep on it. You can do it as soon as possible so that a lot of people will be applying before it gets filled up. So with that, I wish you the best of luck in your application till I see you in my next video.